Hello guys. This is an amazing April on 6th, and I want at least to share one of the updates. That is market forecast and also the fundamentals, what is happening around the globe. Okay, so thank you so much if you're watching this. It's amazing cast. So do share also to your friends and followers. Love, comment, and also love, comment, and also you can share to your people that you care about. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. So the new updates on the fundamental is about also Trump, what he's doing also to the Iran, because the Iran they don't want to open the street of Hamas. As you can see, basically saying very well, Trump vows Iran to be a living hell by Tuesday if Strait of Hamas deadline is missed. So this trying he's trying to command, and Iran doesn't want to play games. It doesn't follow whatever he says. So in social media, post Laden was explosive, vowed to strike the Iran's power plants and bridges. He vowed the crazy bastard will be living hell if the Strait of Hormuz isn't open in all marine traffic by Tuesday. This is by tomorrow. Two U.S. officials told MS that is now on Friday that F1, F-15E Strike Eagle fighter, these are jets, had been shot down over Iran, and that the pilot has been rescued, leaving the other airman missing. U.S. President said the missing crew member was found and rescued after the search in the mountainous regions of Iran. The rescue of him, because number one, what I know, um, the airstrikes, Trump and his administration, they have been unable even to fight through air. So he wanted at least to do ground troops, and he said, yeah, that was about the last week, the first week of April. But if he did whatever he said and the army went for ground troops, they could have been fired a lot because they could have died, many of them. So right now he wants to command the country to open the Gulf, so which they can't. So this person is pissed. So market will come further if this war ends. And also right now we are looking at indices. That is the equities going higher, and oil, while the mostly you'll find the dollar is just within the range. So let's go back now to the market. We see what's happening. You can see the DXY on how it is forming. Okay, so you can see clearly it is just within the range right now, whereby the US dollar, it was very bullish from the past months. Okay, all the way from January all the way to that is March 26. Now it tried at least to break this level, but it didn't. Right now it's just bullish and just within the range. So there's nothing that is happening that is major. So for me, until it breaks out this low, I'm not looking at the dollar. There's no movement. There's no significant movement. So even here, when it breaks, it will be good because now commodities are looking to go bullish if this if the dollar index at least goes low. The same goes also to the other pair. So let me put it a bit higher so that you can see, or somewhere like this. Just a minute. Okay, now it's good. You can see the way US 30 indices is that is a US 30, all right? And US 30 right now also, like in 4 hour time frame, we have been bearish, and you can see like all the way from, let me put it in daily. This is just Fibonacci retracement to test until that is 50%. Yeah, and we can check on daily. You see how it is. You can see clearly this is just a typical demand zone. This is where the market came up. That was last week. Yeah, when the month ended, it came and smashed there, which was a demand zone. And right now, as you can see, we are still on a bearish momentum because now the high of the daily hasn't been met. Okay, you can see clearly it hasn't been broken. So we are still on this current swing higher, and you're currently bearish on the market. You're currently bearish on the market. So looking for bearish that is bearish moves, it will be ideal. maybe right now, maybe to come and retest here, but we are looking at least indices. I'm looking at US indices at least to push up higher. Yeah, because right now indices have been weak for long due to the war tensions and all that, and because of that we are looking at least for to gaining momentum. So if it breaks this side, it will be good, and it will be better at least to focus on more buying power on the US equities. So checking on 4 hour on US 30, looking at this, you're still on a range. As you can see here, we're still on a range, and very clear. Let me reduce this. Yeah, very clear, and I can see, let me put an alert here. So as soon as we sweep with a good bullish candle, like 4 hour or daily, we close above that high, then we wait at least for a retest for a daily or a 4 hour. It will be good, because that's what we're looking for. So a good area will be ideal is at least the candle to break that let me put it in a good way so that you can see clearly. All right, at least I need a candle to break high. All right, so trust me, the market cannot do like just one bullish candle. Let's say I'm just pushing that, let's say candle breaks whatever, and then the next candle obviously it will be a pullback. All right, which will be clearing a correction, and with this let me color it red. All right, so and then now we can focus on what we can focus now on the buys. All right, on the buys. Yeah, so let me draw another one. So I believe this will be good. mm, so this will be good. So this is what I'm focusing on. If not, we have at least break of structure, which is market structure to shift. If it comes back and breaks out this, okay, you have to look on that is MSS. Yeah, so whatever happens whatever happens, it will make at least the account I mean market to be bearish. So this is bullish. Yeah, so I've saved, and also here is market structure shift. I put an alert, and it will be market structure shift. MSS US30 on sells. Okay, that's how US30 it will be. That's what I'm focusing into. So either it goes higher, all right. I can indicate also through here, and then we wait for a pullback, a retest, a correction, and then now we focus on the buy momentum if we go for buys. If not, we we break this and then we continue bearish. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm focused into, and as you can see, these are break of structure and all that. So the same happened also on Nasdaq, because I'm following Nasdaq. We are still on a liquidity zone, which is I call it a premium zone, because it's a liquidity zone whereby market has been reacting from this area. So it's one of the major zones which I'm looking at. Yeah, so as soon as we break this high, it will be good. Nas breaking high. Yeah, so this is currently a 4 hour time frame. So as soon as it breaks the high, it will be ideal. All right, this high, it will be good at least to look at the buy momentum. So as soon as it comes up, I'll wait for correction, because the first is the initiation, which shows us the good direction of ICC, and also now we wait for correction, then continuation. So that will be good. And so far also be alerted, anything can happen and the market can go south. Okay, so for me, I'm aware both sides and everything. So let's look also at silver. Silver on the long term, what is it showing us? All right. Silver, we hit the demand zone, that is the demand zone end of March. Okay, and right now the EA already bought. We had a buy good until TP2, which is 1:2, and it was nice, and then to partials. So that was ideal around here. This is a 4-hour time frame, and this was good for the session. So right now, what are we focusing into? Um, just a minute. This is supposed to be there. Yeah, so the swing high, even I'm supposed to remove because it's already been swept. So this is the area that I'm waiting for, right? And let me put it at least as slim as possible. And breaking that high to be good for buys if the dollar now weakens to go for shorts. Yeah, so this will be silver buys. Yeah, and also we're looking at anything happens. I'm not looking at further down. So this is the first initiation, and then I have a breakout. So as soon as it breaks this high, it will be good. It'll be good. So that's a 4-hour. So I can't enter on 4 hours, so I have to check on the 15 minutes. So I have that one for 15 minutes. I want to see what happens. That is the 15 minutes. What's happening? Yeah. So basically, we have this kind of resistance here, which is a short, and breaking this level will be good. So we have between this level, and also you have this. So as soon as it breaks this high, it will be good also to check on buys, because it's an internal structure here yet for the buys. So as soon as these are silver breakouts. All right. Is a silver breakout. Yeah, and also I put at least anything can happen also, and the market can sell, and breaking out. Breakouts is all about patience. Actually, this week I can trade like only 3 times until the setups are valid. That will be ideal. So right now we are not trading anymore. So let me go now to my baby, which is GBP JPY. GJ, I'm looking at this area. This for this side, let me look at this. I usually look at 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. This is my GJ, which I look at 1 hour to see what happens. So right now, this was a liquidity site, and right now there's no liquidity there. And normally, let me put something here. I think that's a high, and then this is a fair value gap which was created and the market dumped. Okay, so this is yet at least to come and go higher. So very good, very nice, very nice. Let's see. So we were from the buy side liquidity or demand zone, whereby price is buying a lot, and currently we have the market structure shift around here. It didn't break, so we have this current market structure shift, MSS. Oh yeah, this, just let me put again, and then I want it to be middle, and then I save it. Okay, now this will be ideal. Now we have that, and we have this breakout. I can put just an array here, because this is a swing higher of the day. Okay, this is a swing high of the day. So being on this area, this is a range. Oh, this is a range, market ranges. So I cannot trade on a market range, and range or a block. Yes, this is a market range or a block. I think I can put it at the bottom. So I cannot trade with this. It's not good, at least to sweep. Basically, to come and buy or sell within this range, because you'll be trapped. This is just for I can say psychopaths or something. I mean, you're trying to chase the market within a consolidated area. It's not wise. You'll be trapped. So either it comes and break out here, look for a retest, we break the fair value gap, retest it and go for buys. If not, now we'll have to break this. The market shifts all the way to the downside. So I'll put at least an alert around here. All right, this is a sell side, market sell side, sell side, MSS, and then now I'll have to put also above here. Yeah, so that's it. And then I'll time these highs to be broken, these highs. So if I buy, I'm timing these highs, it will be good position. So imagine how much you'll be getting around here. It will be around, let's say, just by example, we are going for long positions. It has broken, and then the low below the previous structure low, and such maybe start. This is about 1 is to what? 1 is to 5. 1 is to 2 is what I target first. I take position partials. Yeah, so no matter the market how it goes, partials I take at good zones. Yeah, so thank you so much. I think that's enough for the day. If you want much more, check the link on the bio. We have the description. You can check there where you can create an account also with FP Markets. Come and get your manual EA or wonderful at least for copy trading, which is available. Yes, let's talk on the DM, and also you have links there for crypto exchanges. You can create with it, and also much more there. Right. So thank you so much. It's a privilege to for you to watch my session, and let's get ready for the day, for the week, for the month. Cheers. I'm out.